Puja or Raksha Bandhan, which is the sign of victory. I am the middle finger, decorated with gold rings, studded with diamonds. None of you are equal to me. Used for wearing the ring to start off the relationship, I am used for showing the sign of commitment. I am the ring finger. Forget. I was used by Sri Krishna to raise the Govardhan mountain, which is also mentioned in the holy books. Stop praising yourselves. When we pray to God, all the fingers join together. To do some work, all of us are needed. All of us have our own importance.
This day provides us an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of the nation to withstand the actual and potential threats to the unity, integrity, and security of the nation. Let us take the Rashtriya Ekta Diwas pledge. Please stretch out your right hand and repeat after me.
They had divided India into smaller princely states. So small areas were given to princes and kings to rule. And then British were having the superpower. So there were 565 princely states whom Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel brought them together. Because everybody wanted to have their own space and own kingdoms. But it was Sardar Patel who persuaded these kings to come together and make a unified India. It was a mammoth task, and that's why he was called the Iron Man of India, because he would not tolerate anybody to move away from India.